Ebuja for Ahaya GC News, Meba Obibia Aquaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, Aqua, Aramede, Brebo. And it is only subscribe to channel area, but more than say or best subscribe. Don't be to say over click a subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand new video be uploaded when the first person once ever can AS video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now share my Ato Forson now when you be here now who and someone Ekoso Ewo Ghana Memo Haram. I feel you here and someone Abeto Yapunoso. A Captain Smart on your TV morning show host. And then you F ye papa and a Bank of Ghana governor a year and Arrést Addison and a what is in the super papa. Now Shishika a cab a governor abo Maya and Jessica Kitwa. Captain Abro and Sammy Bediatuo and otchere or catch Akufo Addo say open semi to Bawumia MPP and neya and Arrést Addison. No so no your president and Kennedy Agyapong Bama a navy for no and when you do high sea deep sea honor that is omujana to su ni mo. Captain Bro and Sammy Bediatuo a car Bank of Ghana abo May ni ma ekoso sa so Jubilee House sika wanna spend a year every month or sa ko ya ko check a year a day sika wanna spend. Captain in some do na to ja say will be in some super in some wode to ja 18
Gabby, what shall be to you?
Yeah.
Mr. Kwaku
Debbie.
Some campaign am MPP Asante MPP. If they want my vote, then Addo should arrest Addison today. I'll vote for them. Gabby, me see me Nanado dan Akufo Addo. Me Ghana man penia. Papa the first Addison, Philip.
Yeah, Philip.
Debbie,
and that's Addison.
Aka me Ghana president me the Arrést Addison me the be navy for e na ko high senior drop na to pum me say me Ghana ban pania o Philip Addison ohun ne yiri biom ya de be kopu na pampam ne ya na to pum na bonsu amene no onye Jonah e wo bonsu yam
obeda ne ko bi me adi
you see yeah what was na aban say yi aban na aban ka so kwa IMF no Ghana fon kan kure okoyi abanya last year Abanko IMF 2023.
Yeah. Yes.
Say na 2023 na Abanko pay 3 billion no.
Yes.
Dollars no.
Yes. Sir.
Na Bank of Ghana was 60 billion. We convert here $6 billion.
US dollars.
So why did we go to the IMF? A Bank of Ghana can waste this money. Sure. Say what conference payment da?
Yeah, my conference payment.
Okay. I mean share a mass school. What kwa ya Asante secondary school so da?
Oh,
very good. $6 billion no e betime si ya Asante secondary school mako 4,000 yes Asante secondary school building be and is where our Asante secondary school e bro $1.3 million open go check prices you how many months in a year 12 divided by 12 let's just say every month be ano Jubilee House will be $29.1 million
hey Asante
what don't say someone just say Jubilee House every month 1 month be an omudi $29.1 million every month bosumi biya sika ye spende e Jubilee House no now 29.9 million 0.1 million 29 1 2 3 29.1 million divided 30 Debbie say 5 working days to 20 days divided by 20 just say every day Jubilee House umudi $1,455,000 but this MPP Rastafarians politicians ragamuffins will have the audacity to sit on radio and tell me that yeah, we have actually improved our educational system. Nonsense. My Obanko primary school baby I would MP no. Na hade say why your school ni ye dia. My Obanko di onko ukrom secondary school. Me ade abadwen ho amenti ase kura ne say. Some Bank of Ghana governor no that what jene.
Ye na na fa na djuma.
He say ye o mai bia ye serious o papa ne ke kuno.
Now the final juma.
What's your we a Bank of Ghana governor? Wamba banya koji $750 million plus 1 billion Ghana cedis. With the Development Bank Ghana. Now within 2 years, yes, it's scanning in Ashe. Na mrekudu kabra ne brother. And a tiano. Na bank ne gu. Ya this $750 million in 2 years. 1 billion Ghana cedis. Kafaka in 2 years. Bank and the branches in the back way. Asante Region Development Bank 4 branches here. Central Region there is here. Greater Accra Regional Branch is here. Western Region there is here. Upper East, Upper West, Northern Region, Volta Region, Eastern Region. Bonga halfway is here. But you have Obi Otiwaso, a Bank of Ghana governor. But then you have to send them to her. Timothy come and pa.
I know we are near some position.
I bet you are position. And now see me. What you are now come. Now you will need party crow him say a friend of governor of the Bank of Ghana. Mimi ya bampani ade be ko high CEO. Ne ya drop you.
Hey!
Oh no, yeah, sure.
You 2 amna no more than 200 feet.
Chief. Me say me ya Ghana man penny to send another me donya me come no me no man who say Bank of Ghana governor. Me man never for that ko pune pempem ne ya drop papa na to pum. I'm telling you. No, show, Jebby. As somebody be why na what here. I just want to understand. Say banker on your juma. Bank of Ghana on your investment.
Dabi.
Ebusha for Bank of Ghana on for 1 cedi enko twabew on for 1 cedi enko do on for 1 cedi emfa nyehwe. Bank of Ghana is just there as Bank of Ghana. Part of my iPad now. JJ boy my iPad now. Na Mr. Producer, Google the mandate of Bank of Ghana. Ye na yen kan. Me jabruta. And also request some pay host better on amtra. Mandate of the Bank of Ghana. Ye na yen Google. Me ye na yen kan. Bank of Ghana. Na djuma pa na say the mandate obi amo
and akomo call functions.
What the bono core functions? Who's about the mandates?
Number 1. The Bank of Ghana has many functions, including 1, monetary policy. Formulating and implementing monetary policies to achieve the bank's objective.
Bank of Ghana na say monetary policy here Ghana sika home policy o sika policy sika ne say ye betwa say yes sika no security features ye ni say and a bank we wo ho say bank no sika so do bie bank no ekwa fam do mo fa bi metoto say de be ya bank no musika sana egu a ye benya bidiama eye adwuma won a edo musika e beto ho.
Yeah.
Where the regulatory role of the Bank of Ghana?
Yeah, pay the core function. Into number 2, currency, issuing and redeeming currency notes and coins and promoting currency stability.
Bank of Ghana, na djuma ye nyina say, they di kan eto so bienu and so be kwakwa coins. No twa paper. E dey kan ho dey aba kan number 3.
Number 3. Banking and credit, regulating, supervising and directing the banking and credit system.
And one so be bank so na afei ye kobo besia no. Obedanda na say de be ya enkofa kakase bia emfa metu the person call.
Number 4. Financial sector, ensuring the smooth operation of the financial sector.
And one so be say Ghana sika ba no ebetimi akọ kama ko.
Payment system number 5. Promoting, regulating and supervising payment and settlement system.
And one no payment and settlement kasika yenko treka we yenye say eka we ho yemfa wentu na djuma no ko.
Number 6, or say non-banking financial institution, licensing, regulating, promoting and supervising non-banking financial institutions.
Wo amonye banks akese say susu any ade a Bank of Ghana so wagigi wo yin sika yin license na de fi wo say do yan so issue license no wagiska. Next one here then.
Acting as a banker and financial advisor to the government.
Eti Adorye ni na say oye no ho say futufo e wo bank nhyehyeye eni sika sem ntoto ye ma ban.
International relations, promoting and maintaining relations with international banking and financial institutions.
Eti de oye ina an say eba quote or kwama no ne a edwo oye ina an say oye ne ho ana da TV ana da Facebook edwo oye ina an say Bank of Ghana ye ina an say oni bank ahodo we wiase mu ina edikita ho.
Economic growth, promoting economic growth and development.
Promoting economic growth say Ghana ezika se economy na empuntu aba. Kwata.
Price stability. Maintaining stability in the general levels of prices.
General levels of prices and Yamabo and over baby and work as a Bank of Ghana discaya Juma. It's a Bank of Ghana on your business.
On transacting
any business, but rather no one our license would trace Kamano.
Yeah.
It's a Bank of Ghana, no, I don't want to say housewife. Woman a chop money here. And on Wedriani.
Yeah, sure.
Why man a chop money here or your housewife scanning hard ben Wedriani. And we for Bank of Ghana Nejumani. When you know your dada ya sorry ya. Bank of Ghana say Waboka 60.50 billion Ghana cedis. Time no Boka no, na dollar ya 10 cedis. Eti wo boss 60 billion wo boss 60 no wo boss 0 so makuma 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divided by 10. Eti Bank of Ghana oboka $6 billion. Meanwhile Ghana call IMF ko jiska say $3 billion. Yan kan ko okuro ma wo. Ghana ye ko IMF yina no. Oje ye ko say ye kwa akwaje $3 billion. $3 billion spell and ye kwakwaji. Meanwhile, the Bank of Ghana etimi atena krom ha say washisika $6 billion in 1 year.
Na no class almost ya juice jamu to be first kadi na amaye. To mechi chemu kakra. Rantenya kupo. Almost ya juice into about the 3 billion na amaye ye hu kwa be fast.
You see, when him say Ghana, ye bob penny be the na stupidity theory. I started here Juma. As I wish ya Ghana penny na wo hwe nanim a. As em fan kwesi wuram na no instead no. Sometimes I wonder how we are even able to survive. Sometimes I wonder how we are able to survive. Say some ekoso nyina echi no yetimi tie ye mu hwe. Bank of Ghana. We show omano tafi as a konkonsa for ma. Shamano. Omano tafi as a konkonsa for ma. Now what take ho? Now Ghana kope IMF loan $3 billion. Now Bank of Ghana papa itikrum ha I wasted $6 billion. Now we say yanga day me se be penny a be Ghana man penny a Addison me do nyame jebi. Me di president de not yes no wu ya ye de no betupum. Me am ka kire wo. Say what boka $6 billion. How? I mean Ghana for $6 billion. Billion dollar billion in sia. Meanwhile ye call IMF say ye pay just $3 billion. Meanwhile Central Bank of Ghana it was $6 billion wa how we wasted sasika no. Now this man is walking on the street of Accra. So the governor of the Bank of Ghana soldier for the police for dinechi we was $250 million for the acquired Asante Bediatuo office. Now office that could have $6 billion. And the office mono babo say Gabby and Akufo Addo is sitting quiet. He's quiet. Bawumia is quiet. Because what guy no success can about women na eche. He's quiet. Eti what was bet as you go Park Western Bank. Say Park Western Bank no. Park Western Maboka 1.2 billion. Gana for you. Yes, say Park Western Bank no. Eka 1.2 billion. And a wabo. And I'm saying to no. One Waye Juma wo Park Western GN Bank inano. Obiankotena fi. Meanwhile je ogu de waboka 1.2 no waboka $60 billion.
Oh that's what you.
Ono that wo. na wo hia obi a wetime nya akukudura hwe wani maka cho say koto abama MPP me cho hwe manim yejimi fo wo de hwe manim am de to anim hey jebi ma bodwe kura me nhyevi ye ba hwe manim me ho fe pa wo asam ne yenka asam ne yenka ha ye so ya homache 4
yes
me 9
oh yes
ya tremo abesi ne Monday to Monday Monday to Monday na ye gu package no bank no na de oba package boss aka no ono abo 60 billion odate ho
Asante
Bawumia is quiet na wo hie obi a waka cho say wasa hwe ni maka cho say to abama MPP Jabi look at me carefully do I look like a fool
Dabi Facebook for muso metimi answer no me say Dabi ba also
no do I look like a fool sitting here do I look like a fool what say
oh god
Ato Forson wa boka 900 and something million Ghana cedis say oko jail Bank of Ghana governor no Addison wa boka 60 billion $6 billion US dollars or that ho now we share me I was say menya campaign MPP into abama MPP JB looking at me do I look like a zombie Mr. Chimpanzee ah JB look yet what aban say or pesika o or the aye ekwan
yeah
obeye ye kwan no concrete nya Bawumia na kan oso be ye kwan concrete bisa Daniela me bia policy ni chana fe no oban nanum no hwemanim me de chana wo ho Daniela ho ye ho be bia kwa ye ho gbe no ye for say anlo jebi aban say or hwehwe a miserable 700 million US dollars e de aye kwan or the concrete be gu Ghana kwan so when bi Bawumia nya 760 million amfa nya concrete e kwan amayen meanwhile Bank of Ghana governor assessa $6 billion mama chedi look at my face JB do I look like a fool to campaign for MPP and vote for MPP 2024 do I look like a zombie shamanim me to message me for
Dabi
fa no to nchen agenda 111 God is a document no ho agenda 111 document look I dem send ma no hwe ye fan to so ne JB agenda 111 no yes we were 30% completion we were 30% completed 40% completed say then about this call here agenda 111
na agenda 111 say middle of this November ya ye kwaku be 30
for Bank of Ghana office no mo be na no na kwa say we are
Jamama
oh what I was say the obo otchere one je boy don't Jabi Bank of Ghana office now mo so wo mabie na nra na do ko bia no
yes mo enu me fa ho enu me ko mo nwe in fact mo wie program no eni be 30 minutes enu me ko ho o mo nwe
ya how na say Jabi fa no to nchen wo de no to nchen a hwe NAPO abaisi oni sika odi betua
NAPO for ka yeah
but Bank of Ghana government to be assess 6 billion much heady
nursing training for 19 months
yeah and then Jabi baby out is so me
who pa
me so dwan
Dabi
Sammy campaign am MPP Asante abam MPP me do I look like a sheep
not at all
one can say what fie na what asem we na say we party ba when MPP ni ncha me o me MPP who ya bo me 12 times nya broket wa ya gwa me heavy ba ko kra de na kwadwa mpani nim se mewu enso me te apokotwa kra ma me ho me se ba ko kwadwa mpani kra do nim se mewu Kwabena Agyapong wadan Kwabena Agyapong send me message answer me de man bisa Godwin on Tróuble bia mrem biem me man go correct your response pa you see Jabi wo de no to nchen a wonim say ya me no ka say bisa obi a ne back school wo Cape Coast eye free senior high school say aduane wo hankola ni dia I am saying this today now
aduane ni school
say wo ba wo secondary school Wesley Girls Holy Child Apam Winneba here he busa won so mo aduane a
Sunday ni
aduane o mu di
me say busa say school no mo aduane a ask say sikad ni honti yentimi ndua yenye aduane ma ye mani ndi meanwhile obi etimi asesa $6 billion much edi
Monfa course no be wachire ho why mo de monfa course na muntie e bia na awofo ni bi frɛ
no Jabi wo hwɛ bani mato yi
yeah
Mr. Kwaku
Debbie
say my campaign na MPP asanto aba MPP hwɛ if they want my vote then Ado should arrest Addison today I'll vote for them GH boy pa many abro mama me sama mouse so you know Jabi it's actually serious oh
it's so reasonable
what was abansi onisika enti nurse ni a wakɔ nursing training college awie wabetre fie miensa afi fie mienu fie miensa fie nan fie ɔtefie sɛ abansi onisika
na ne ɔkɔ school kura allowance kura 1 year 6 months 19 months yentua
that's right eti sadi party tefie yentimi fa ne nko school stupidity theory ɛna sana $6 billion da baby na ya chess Kennedy na Bank of Ghana timi anya kukudro e de abetu Ghana ifo nyina enim se maboka $60 billion
we
na we a wetimi ahwe nyame enim say we youth na wetimi ahia me kwadwe smart e program as a captain as I said here you have to start campaigning for your own party and vote for them JB baby awuti Ushemanim, Mr. Nsama. Do I look like a maggot? To get up and go buy soap, sponge, take a beautiful shower, iron my uniform, wear, and go out there to go do what and vote for who? Jimmy, what's this NAPO? And maybe 100,000. What can I say? Hey, where ready? I say Obiayebi, really? Say sika ni hwa de betua NAPO for kaje eti enkwada 100,000 emu mani emu mema omu ino bia nkonkotena fi enkwada na kwa akotena fi say na Bank of Ghana governor over $6 billion wo ho aseno ahye ne kwa akwada sesika no say ma
wasesika na nya baby di ahye say Tróuble atwa to so
but producer breakdown of the losses of Bank of Ghana. Obehu and them among the share ni mu ade kabaye. We had an print sika boka. Hey. Yay, sir, ma print sika ma boka. Ha. No, Jabi.
Nah.
What ma boka? Bank of Ghana. So waboka waboka $60 billion. Jabi. So we again ni panda what dream da hwa nyansa pa da trima. Wo hia me kan kire me say me nkoto aba MPP. Wo kan say hey wano ya. Jabi $60 billion no 606 billion US dollars because that time no boss aka no. That dollar 10 cedis. 60.8 billion. Padis no. Oma boka. Ghana for ya boka. Ukromu kwan ya nyei. Ba ya boka 6 billion. Meanwhile aban ko IMF for 3 billion. Hwe winim secondary schools dodoa. Sasika no $6 billion no.
Omo asaso kra de ato omo amo eyiso. Press release. Mame kind of brofo kakra. Bank of Ghana released its full year 2022 audited financial statement on the 28th of July 2023. The financial statement reported a total loss of 60 billion Ghana cedis, which has since become a matter of unfortunate politicization.
Am I permitted to call them fools?
Hey!
Ebi a wuti fia wadwen you say ya boy etrim ne yeka. Ko Bank of Ghana for website.
Tie, I say here, it is also noteworthy that 53.1 billion Ghana cedis of those losses were direct result of the government's domestic debt restructuring exercise.
Phase 1 and 2. Hey! Is it not madness? No, I want someone to explain this rubbish to me.
Restructuring program, 53.1 billion Ghana cedis. Phase 1 and 2.
Go on. Can you do maybe COVID-19 when I better bomb?
It is important to put the Bank of Ghana 2022 fiscal results in proper context with a clear statement of problem that Ghana faced and
the chronology
of events in Ghana since 2019.
There was a clear mismatch.
There was a clear mismatch between revenue inflows and expenditure financed in 2020 by the exceptional report from IMF and the World Bank resources. And in addition to financing
from the Bank of Ghana through the issuance of the 10 billion Ghana cedis COVID-19 bond.
Hey, Asante ni.
Me koye presentation.
Trase. Me beto a bintimi nye omo. To a menye omo kakra ho ansama change.
Ene kakra ne assessor position.
Jebi, eti me se me ye Nana Addo danko Akufo Addo. Me ye Ghana man pani a. Papa Arrést Addison, Philip.
Yeah, Philip. Debio, Arrést Addison.
Aka me ye Ghana president, me de Arrést Addison, me de be ma navy for. E de na ko high senior drop na to pum. Me say me ye Ghana ban pani a Philip Addison hu ne yiri biom. Ya de be ko pu na pam ye jana to pum na bonsu amene no. Onye Jonah e wo bonsu yam.
Obeda ne ko bi mi edi.
You see, Tio. Yeah, what was na aban say ye ben aban ka so kwa IMF no Ghana for kan kure okoye ben last year aban kwa IMF 2023
yeah yes
say na 2023 na aban ko 3 billion no
yes
dollars no
yes
na Bank of Ghana was 60 billion we convert here $6 billion
US dollars.
So why did we go to the IMF? A Bank of Ghana can waste this money. Sure, say what conference payment da.
Yeah, my comfort.
Okay. I mean, share a mass school. What kwa ya Santua secondary school so that?
Oh,
very good. $6 billion. No, a bet me see ya Santua secondary school. Makum 4,000.
4,000.
Yes.
Yes, Santua
secondary school. Building B and is where our ya Santua secondary school. A bro $1.3 million. Open go check the prices. 86 billion no ya Santua secondary school na si one makum 4,000. Because Jebi, come to think of this, say Ghana o man kakraka nyina ya say e 3 billion pe.
Na enkofo da ka che say enim yan sente wo tumi fa 3 billion ni na hye yesa.
3 billion ni hye sente.
Je kakra na okodi na esa na wa baba be
je kakra. Je ko.
Ye di kama o kakra na de fa ko. Na okona na say iska de sound the frame.
But with him, say okopa besia wo bi ho ohun. Say what we ye. Na me se me be pe besia wo ho. JB. Na me bana me catch say me pe 10 million. No so 10 million me de be ma ho. Na mum 10 billion de me wo. Ba captain me de be ma na mum. G 200 ko. Na echi wa baje. Wo pese wa chem say me jimi.
I mean this guy now was 30 billion want me ahwe so.
60 billion.
Now wa ba so ba be 3 billion.
8 senior.
I swear to the
8 senior.
I'm for GH ba.
Na wa boka 60 billion. Na yet wa hwe. Ye hwe Arrést Addison.
Kai.
Hwe kan bro friend da hono. In 2 months Ghana for
in 2 months.
In 2 months the Bank of Ghana lost $500 million in
reserves.
In 2 months. The Bank of Ghana eboka $500 million in reserves and built significant overdraft to the government as a result of the auction failures. It became clear that Ghana was on a path that was unsustainable. And the government had to approach IMF for support in 2022, July. Now ubetimi anya obi so your ba your bema no hia wa o se to abama MPP JB baby out no hu me wo hwe mani me sekwotre very good. No, you see, the Bank of Ghana was used to close the gap to enable Ghana meet the debt threshold that qualified Ghana for the IMF program. Bank of Ghana therefore acted as a loss absorber. When we sue Bank of Ghana as a loss absorber, this means hold on. This means the Bank of Ghana had to absorb a 50% haircut on its non-marketable holdings of government debt instruments.
No, sir.
This singular act led to significant impairment, losses of 32.3 billion to the bank's accounts. Impairment of marketable instruments also accounted for 16.1 billion, bringing the total impairments of government holdings to 48.4 billion. As experienced by central banks globally, prices and exchange rate movements led to a loss of 5.2 billion. Then Kwan ye Ghana ha Bank of Ghana prices and exchange rate movement
5.2 billion.
Obi aswa dollar nkosoro.
What's impairment of cocoa board loans?
Na ye wi cocoa board fa ba be ka chese obondeka. Wa nim gwase. Dabi when cocoa board for him go say the time now ye kasa asem we no na dollar na 10 cedis enti hwe 4.7 billion for phone men sure say ye 4 billion but for phone na 4 7 na fe 00 so makuma 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and ye 4.7 billion divided by 10 80 4 your friend say 2022 now cocoa board the cap 470 million US dollars. W cocoa board billion whilst impairment of cocoa board loans amounted to 4.7 billion. This is the reason the Bank of Ghana reported a loss of 60 billion. Who told you this is as a result? Whose result is this rubbish? Cocoa board mpapa dia. Jay Akufo Addo manage cocoa board. 2022 na cocoa board at the car $470 million, $500 million. JB. Now you say Office of the President. You for 3 billion Ghana cedis. You chat 3 billion Ghana cedis. And they call Office of the President. Time I did 3 billion also kono na dollar 10 cedis. Shade 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divided by 10. $300 million. And an Akufo Addo. Any Jubilee House for Umudin 1 year. JB adding. JB adding. 3 billion Ghana cedis. Any sika ye chako yo. Asa ma asa na Ken Ofori Atta ko na papa be supplementary budget na Ken ye supplementary budget and sonko.
Ken be supplementary budget.
Whichever way, there was a supplementary budget. Office of the President is such as 500 million Ghana cedis. That's alcohol. 80 just 2024. And then November 21st. JB. Yeah, no 3.5 billion pepe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divided by 10. $350 million. Divided 350 million. 3 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by how many months in a year? 12 divided by 12. Let's just say every month biano Jubilee House will be $29.1 million.
Hey, Asante.
What don't say someone? Just say Jubilee House every month 1 month biano will be $29.1 million every month. Bosubi biya sika ye spending Jubilee House no now 29.9 million 0.1 million 29 1 2 3 29.1 million divided 30. Debbie, say 5 working days to 20 days divided by 20. Just say every day Jubilee House umudi $1,455,000. Debbie, what's that? Just say every single day, every single working day. What would you close to $1.5 million every day? These are the plain realities, sir. Ya pesa Ghana 40 as yes, sabi yet when you you he me mami agi on your banker, no your midwife wejai, and our shop bojo me come no me no man who say me djuma bo me ne na me kwatena man kesi mami o me kom nkume. Oh
yeah, that's true.
Asante.
Me mami agi o ma kom nkume. At worst case scenario, me tom me fie na sit Tantra Hills na me be ato treasury bill, ma kwatena man kesi. Ah? Ana me tom fie na me da bia ko wie man kesim dan no. Na kakra na aka no. Me da asesa me ma ko gu akura na se ho. Na yeto ho. Ho kra me ntuka nkwachi na me petrol asantem. Eti nyesa ye sori a ye kondo se ye ba betra radio ni TV so se ye be kaso. No. We also want to sit in the offices and cross our legs. Yes boss, okay. Na ma no tafi to say Philip Addison no.
In front of Philip Addison and Arrést
Addison. Come back of Ghana. Woman not have to answer Kwaku for ma. Sikasan and Kwafo blow Kroma. Na yet to Kroma. Ya call hey. Here you call ya na part the crown on the cement paper. Ada. Oh, Enra Chiani Koma Omubi. Isa money, Eddie any more. Na Coco board. See you no or that ho, na Kameya Nanado. Se cheda won jata ho se cheda wo sebo medo nyame se me yana adwa cocoa board penny no oda ho no obey Daniel second Daniel was asiso obekwa ko hwe cheda njata ne so se me Akufo Addo cocoa board penny no oda no by now hwe cheda njata ne so na se wonya nkwan na wafa cocoa board etimi atena ho 1 year wa boka $470 million.
Asante nie.
470 million US dollars. Oje, according to Bank of Ghana report.
Yeah, 4.7 billion Ghana cedis.
Wa bossa kanato. Na cocoa board etimi anya kukudro. Ade ya we keyboard we. Ade we ekutami. JB. Keypad say dey we. Tapra. IGH boy as when you're broken heart. Tapra. Say anyway.
Asante nie.
Say ya kokra we. Ya kokra niama we. Ba ko $5,000. Na machine we na kasa kura na ka ho no. We 2023 model. No kura me to the same. Na ya say when machine na kasa ka ho. Na mo tapra tim. $5,000. Yeah, to say ya to makumako 55. I didn't I say board for no mobile board meeting. I say I'm type. Meanwhile, more board members in Yansa, one monte brofun to type. Into a modern one type man. Ah, JB. Who we are no obi to be shall no catch us say, hey, say, we are what ye na we start year campaign men people not to man people. Which name is Aboa? Shamanim and then cramming Chevy. By him. Do I look like a zombie? Jay, what do you not turn China? Oh, na buffer stock. It be as said, Diani, I say, and they come a Yamba school. The last time I checked, Minister Bien one back about secondary school.
Minister Bien Ghana had
Mammy number one. NAPO, never say. NAPO, what did say?
I put us all worry and chair. I know about that.
Nancy the bed say. Ghana International School.
International Community School.
Yeah, that be okay. Ghana International.
I know which I know.
They watch here.
That I'm afford.
Ministers and Mankwane go.
Yeah.
I don't know for Mankwa primary.
What's that?
I say edutum. Me and I'm confined by nobody MP or Bosomche. Sabosomche primary school. I don't know the man in Kobe.
And I saw those over school you bridge it.
Ada na mani nkobi.
Oh.
Say aye school ni ye dia. Ada na ministers na mani nkobi. Eslo usu ne baba na kwa ban school. Oni bi no problem anya we. Chabi minister ne ba kwa school okrom ha. Na chabi MP ne ba. Oko school wa the constituency. Dabi obi chabi ba ko MP owo Ghana ha. Ne ba Gambaga MP kura ne ba nko school wa the constituency. Chabi MP ne ba oko primary school e wa the constituency.
Asante Bediatuo.
Me try answer no o mame.
Let's say.
Me try.
Me ya hu bi.
MP bi ani Ghana ha ne ba ko primary school e ya ban dia.
Yeah, sure.
But this MPP Rastafarians, politicians, ragamuffins, will have the audacity to sit on radio and tell me that we have actually improved our educational system. Nonsense. My Obanko primary school baby, I would MP no. Say where your school ni ye dia. My Obanko di uncle Chrome secondary school. Mimi Chrome Mankasim Ophelia. So na ye MP. Never been a primary school Mankasim. Ban school. Yet me back. Minister Ben, Educhum, me am Educhum. The baby any work ban school. Because NAPO amayati as say, what were trad there, equal teacher trading colleges, I say, one my bon, or munimwe. And on nobody education minister, no sense or Mokochere mothers or Metre Maddy. And to say NAPO education minister. No himself, technical college for in a say, my bon, one go school, Mentra. I better not in the Bible school, Bakwa school. Debbie. The last time I heard the vice president saying what? Vice president to say, the NTR, I'm a Kanye never wired in say, Ghana no a angwa go na dig so Kanyano. As I say, ye crow ye angwa no na ye dibegum, na ye bibiati, and then ama ade no nebo ayede. Nonsense. Time na on then na do catch and say, Oba metal light so na Mahamadu Johnson na so Kanya. That time Mahamadu Johnson the soccer near moi.
Hey.
What took Ghana politicians for? We say, hey, we are campaigning more. No, I'm not doing the campaign for anybody. These are the real issues.
Yeah.
Yo, waiting for waiting and some Captain Smart and some what they are to do our bro and some be so a Bank of Ghana governor just say car boy man and a captain in on some atuja water to be a day maneno. Now what that and some do an ara Eddie. Because so we subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribers and say had later than hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo. After we are now like if you like the video na fe share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone echo so ewo Ghana memo hanam. Also betimi otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.